Hi, this is Alan Kaufman. Welcome to this episode of In the Tradition. I grew up in New York City, and as a youngster, I watched a lot of television. But one particular show got my attention. It was a folk music show called Rainbow Quest. The host of that program was Pete Seeger, a legendary folk singer, an icon in the folk music world, and a political activist as well. Watching Rainbow Quest, I was introduced to an incredible variety of very talented traditional musicians. It was quite an education for me. It wasn't a program that my friends watched much, but it held my attention. It inspired me. I wanted to play music like that, and I still do. Pete Seeger passed on in 2014 at the age of 94. In that year, it would have been 50 years since the first broadcast of Rainbow Quest. I decided it would be a wonderful way to honor him by bringing that format back to life in a small studio, similar to what he used, with a sparse set like he had, and intriguing, inspiring talent. So here we are. Welcome to In the Tradition. So today I'm really lucky to have in the studio Pete's Posse with Pete Sutherland, Oliver Scanlon, and Tristan Henderson. Let's hear a tune.
Let's hear a tune. We're going to hear three tunes.
Three. Yeah.
Actually, we're doing...
Right from home.
Yeah. We're doing a set of tunes from deep Vermont folklore. These were collected by Helen Hartness Flanders, who you probably know as a name of as a folk song collector, a ballad collector. Mm-hmm. Back starting in the Roosevelt administration. Her husband was a senator and a woman of means, and she just packed her ungodly wire cylinder recorder in the back of her Model A and went around the hills looking for old child ballads and such. And somewhere along the line, some of the people she encountered referred her to fiddle players as well. So these are three tunes from that part of the collection.
Oh, great.
To The Bummer's Reel, Peachy, and Drunkard's Glory, the best fiddle tune name ever. And the last one is just like totally escaping me, but they come from southern Vermont.
Was Bummer's Reel also on the American Fiddle Tunes record?
It's been on a Library of Congress.
The Library of Congress record that Alan Jabor put out?
Yeah, the latter two did not because the recording was so horrendous. One of the games that we have to engage in is our sensitivity to the noise to music ratio, shall we say, of the old recordings.
It's pretty intense.
It's totally intense.
I've only done it once, and it's very. Yeah. Your ears get tired of the.
Yeah, you kind of want to run screaming from the room after a while.
Pretty much.
So, salvage, a salvage job.
So a Vermont set.
Anyway, so we arranged these a bit.